Hey everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brad's Homestead channel. I went to Walmart to take a look around and noticed the parking lot was practically empty. This Walmart is in a well-to-do area, but as you can see, no one is shopping. And it's lunchtime. So why is the parking lot so empty? Because a lot of people see what is coming, while others are still going about their normal routine. Sadly, that routine does not include putting back food, water, medicine, and other preps that could benefit them during the difficult times ahead. Layoffs have occurred just about every month since Q3 of last year, from major companies, laying off hundreds to thousands of employees in a single day. Major companies laying off people includes Disney, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, FedEx, Amazon, BlackRock, Lowe's, The Home Depot, Spotify, Capital One, Yahoo, NetApp,